Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. I don't know about you, but during this lockdown, I have been enjoying quite a few quick and easy microwave recipes. I've already shared my layer cake in a microwave recipe with you. If you haven't seen that, I'll add the link to it in the description box below. Today, I have a microwave mug cookie recipe for you. So, let's begin. It's basically a dump and stir recipe. In a mug, take 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of regular white sugar, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/8 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon vanilla extract, and mix well. Then add 1 egg yolk and stir well. I have a very sweet tooth, so I added 1 tablespoon sugar each. If you don't like it that sweet, then you can add half tablespoon of white sugar and half tablespoon of brown sugar instead. Now add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mix till it is well combined. Once everything is thoroughly mixed, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips and mix well. Sprinkle some more chocolate chips on top and microwave it for 50 seconds. Let it cool so that your cookie can set. The chocolate chip cookie in a mug is ready to be devoured. Hope you like this recipe. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more recipes. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Lots of love and prayers from our family to yours. Until next time, happy cooking.